What's going on, y'all? TKO Sneakers and the Fox. Shouts out IG. This is IGTV, YouTube. Shouts out to y'all for checking me out. I know I promised y'all a review on these Chinatown Market Storm Origin Puma collaboration. My camera keeps messing with me, trying to move around and make sure we get this right for y'all, man, so we can check out the sneakers, man. Let me get this camera right for y'all. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, right now I'm rocking the Chinatown Market tee. Probably seen the picture on my page and in my story, so you probably see that right now. Shouts out to V and the guys over there out there. But anyway, I'm gonna do this review. Today just been a crazy day today. Had to secure 2 venues for 2 dates. So September 22nd, we will no longer be at the pregame. We had to change locations due to some unforeseen events that were out of my control. We had to change locations. Could be a blessing in disguise. But I did secure a location. We will be off Edgewood at the Ghost Bar September 22nd, same time. So don't worry, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., same time. A lot of dope stuff with that. Drink specials, sneaker giveaways, accessory giveaways from our sponsors, Angela's Direct. So September 22nd, it's still a go. Round 3, we got 4 dope customizers that are going to be competing. I'll be announcing the customizers on next Tuesday, and then I'm going to also announce the judges on Monday. So y'all stay tuned. Got some dope judges as well. And then that's on Monday. I'm gonna announce the judges. We're gonna spread it out. So no further here. Say another to talking. Y'all came in to tune in. Y'all wanted to see the Storm Origin collaboration with Chinatown Market. It is right here. Let's take out the box. Okay. Here is your typical Chinatown Market box and Puma collaboration. Got your taxi colorway right here. Yellow and black checkerboards. Personally, my favorite colors, yellow and black. If you know me, you know why. Steelers. About to whoop on the champions on this coming Sunday. So, yep, I said it. We're going to whoop on them. We're going to win that game. So, on the stairway to 7. But anyway, let's get back to the sneaker. The Storm Origin, Chinatown Market. That light blinds me from this camera, so honestly, it has killed me. I don't even know what colorway it says on this, but whatever, who cares? We're gonna take a look at the sneaker, and we'll know the colorway that way. Here you go. Got both sneakers. Take both these out. Put this box right here. Here we go. This is a dope sneaker. I'm liking it already. This is definitely, I'm doing a little video commercial shoot tomorrow. These will be rocked. Oh yeah, I'm out in front of Urban Outfitters on East Ponce. But anyway, let's take a look at the sneaker. We'll start at the front. We got on the toe, it's suede. So we got the suede from here, from the toe, all the way down to the left, all the way out to the right. Here got the suede. And then we got the mesh in green right here on the toe as well. We go up to the yellow laces. This color combination is dope, man. Then right here we got blue leather right here. Then we have the Chinatown Market tab. That's where they always like to place their tabs on the Puma collaboration. Same color, yellow and black. That's the Chinatown Market's color. Oh man, and it looks like we got several laces here. Okay, so we'll talk about the laces in a little bit. So let's look at the tongue. We got Puma in yellow, green, blue, and red on the tongue. Let's go on the inside. We got the yellow foam on the inside, and we got red mesh as well. Over right here, got the green. This is like it's not suede. It's like a faux suede. Not real suede, so you can't really see any colors changing. If it's real suede, you can see when you push here the colors kind of changing, but it's like a faux suede. If there's a different material that this is called, forgive me, I don't know what that is. But you got the mesh in red here, like you do on this side. You got the mesh in red, yellow foam strip, green foam strip. Let's look at the heel. You got blue leather back here, green mesh at the top, red mesh at the bottom. Got the blue Puma cats are on the yellow background. This color blocking is just so dope on this sneaker, man. It just really pops. And then with the different laces they gave, will give it an entirely different look. So I'm definitely gonna mess around and try the different laces. I like to do like different stuff. So let's look at the laces that came. We got this sneaker right here. We got white laces, and the white laces have yellow tips. I think this would make it pop too. We put the white laces in these, that'll pop. I'm gonna keep the yellow. And then this one, got another set of laces. So I love about Puma, all the different lace options. And these laces have Chinatown Market on them. I think that'll look dope in these too. And it's got the same colors as the sneaker, blue. Oh, and it also has Puma on the laces. So yeah, Puma and Chinatown Market on the laces here. So that will really pop here. So 2 sets of laces. I think I might put these laces in one side and ride with the yellow on the other one, kind of make it look different. But it's all like you can do your different thing if you want. Probably another time put white. But and let's look at the inside. The insole. Let's see what we got on the insole. Pull out the insole. Pull out the paper so I can put it back in. Paper right there and there. I like to keep my paper in my sneakers. Keep it nice. The toes nice. Keep it nice and fresh. So here's the insole. Got the Puma in Chinatown Market. Black insole. So that's the insole. Oh, and what's dope too? Let's take a look. The laces, the yellow laces, actually have a red tip on them. So that's dope. So overall, this is a dope sneaker. I haven't tried on the Storm Origin, so I'm not sure of the comfort. But it's a running shoe, and the way it looks, I'm sure it's gonna be pretty comfortable. These are actually the first Storm Origins I've had. Put this back in there. Just drop the laces. And this is also leather here as well. The tongue is leather and then it has a mesh at the top. Where's that paper go? Oh, they picked it up. Cool. All right. So that's pretty much it on this sneaker. And then you got the white midsole to cap it off. Excuse me, I got the windows down. In Georgia heat, it is hot out here. I didn't want to do the AC because it was gonna make a lot of noise while I was doing the video. So, but you already hear the cars and everything in the background. So it's pretty cool outside, nice weather outside, but the inside of my truck is hot. So let me know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the sneakers. I think these are dope, man. The model is dope. The color blocking is dope. You know, you got all these colors, how they got the color blocks going, and then that white midsole to pop it off. Here's the bottom. And yeah, I think these are tight. And like I said, I'm gonna rock these tomorrow. So I'll do an on feet and pictures for you tomorrow. These sneakers right here. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Were you able to get these? Shouts out to Chinatown Market. Shouts out to my boy V. Let me know if y'all are able to get these. I know when they came out, they had like a limited run on ChinatownMarket.com. There was like a limited run. I think they still got like smaller sizes. I'm gonna try to find out when these bad boys actually drop. Stay tuned. Like I said, September 22nd. If you're in Atlanta, you plan on visiting Atlanta. Edgewood, September 22nd. Third final round of Customize Atlanta. We got some dope customizers. You don't want to miss that. We got a dope concert that's going to be going on as well with DNC, Digital Native Culture, Translee, Gray, Asha. It's going to be a dope show, man. So make sure y'all come out. We got drink specials. We giving away sneakers. We giving away shoe cleaner. We giving away bags. We giving away caps, courtesy of our sponsor, Angela's Direct. Make sure y'all there. And then we got A3C coming up October 13th. It's going to be the finals. And the winner will get to design a collab sneaker for myself and Mike Mars that we're going to drop next year. So y'all stay tuned in. man, it's just y'all just stay tuned. Sneakers and the Fox. I appreciate all the support, the growth. I've seen my stories jump in numbers. I definitely appreciate y'all looking out. So I need y'all to like and comment my stuff. Y'all checking me out. Y'all viewing. I'm seeing the views, but I need y'all to comment as well. I need y'all to like, show your love, show your like. But either way, regardless, if I know you're checking it out, I think I'm doing my job. Like I said, I'm going to work on finding out if you really like these, the release on these, so y'all can get these. It's the ATL Puma King, so you know I had to have these. I'm probably the only one in the A with these right now. So, you know, I am the Puma King of Atlanta, so, I mean, ain't nobody seeing me when it comes to this Puma shit in Atlanta, but it's neither here or there. Love y'all. Do this for y'all. Peace, 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 peace.